as promised, here is the empty house tour. I'm like trying to whisper so that way it doesn't echo a ton because obviously it's empty. So we're right here in the doorway. This lighting is so good. And this is our living room. I feel like this video is honestly gonna be pretty boring because everything's empty, but I'm gonna kind of try to give you guys like a visual of everything. So TV here, couch here, and then you come back here, and this is the larger bedroom. And this is gonna be where our bed is, and then obviously like, you know, all the other stuff. We have a cute little closet. Then this will be my closet slash beauty room. And I'm super excited for this because this will be my closet and Rob will have the other one, and this will just be my room and he can have the garage. And then this is our little bathroom. I'm really like I said, this is gonna be a pretty boring video because it's empty, but you guys will get to see the whole transformation because it's gonna be so good. Then here is our kitchen, and again we're gonna do marble countertops and most likely a backsplash, and our dining table will go here. I was thinking about painting this wall pink, yikes, so we shall see. We have like a backyard right here for cow, and then this is the garage. Don't want our landlord to see us because I'm like shy. But Rob's gonna turn that into a home gym. And yeah, this is our little home. I'm so excited to be living with Rob and to just like be a real adult. So yeah, stay tuned for all the like home decor videos. I'm telling you guys, do not underestimate me. This house is gonna be so freaking cute. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm gonna get to putting in like the little things. Our couch is like custom, so it's gonna take a while. And then our dining table should be here in a couple weeks too. With COVID and everything, it's like everything's taking longer than planned, but we do have a few things. So maybe I'll do like a little after tour of the little things set up, but I don't wanna give too much away and then the real finale be kind of boring. So yes, we are so excited, and I hope you guys are too, to go on this journey with us. Lots of videos coming, lots of content in general coming now that we have our own place. So we are so excited.
I've been waiting on you. What do I do? Maybe you hate me, I don't know. I've been waiting on you. I've been waiting on you. What do I do? Maybe you hate me, I don't know. I've been waiting on you. Bottles on me, feeling lonely. No cups around me, I'm just solo. These bitches on me, I don't know them. They steady calling, I ignore them. I'm good, I'm fine, that's what I say to them. They know I'm lying, but they stay around. Go home, that's what I say. That nigga you love, is that me, is that me? Your girls are my friends, stay close, no loose ends.
Okay, so it is the next day. Yesterday we ended up just like falling asleep and being lazy all day, so we didn't get to do that much, but yeah, it's still pretty much a mess. I mean, you only got to see it empty, but like the room is just like full of all of our crap that I'll be stuck to do this week. Let me show you the bathroom. We got the bathroom set up just a little bit. My eyelashes mood. This cute shower curtain is from Target, actually. I was very surprised to find it there. And then yeah, our living room is just like full of crap. Like I said, our couch is not gonna be here for a while. Everything is just like messy right now. The garage. Rob got his workout machine in here, but And our washer and dryer's in. Hello. Oh, what the heck? I just noticed this. That's so funny. Rob, did you see this?
Yeah.
That's funny. I feel like, I don't know.
Perfect for me.
So yeah, now we are going to Costco. I wanted to show you guys. We're going to Costco because the only thing that's in our fridge is White Claws and wine and just alcohol. So we have to go fill that baby up for the week. And yeah, so we're gonna go to Costco, Trader Joe's, you know, the fun stuff. But back to the good lighting. But yeah, so I guess I will check back in later, possibly.
I don't know. I've been waiting on you. Bottles on me, feeling lonely. No cups around me, I'm just solo. These bitches on me, I don't know them. They steady calling, I ignore them. I'm good, I'm fine, that's what I say to them. They know I'm lying, but they stay around. Go home, that's what I say. That nigga you love, is that me, is that me? Your girls are my friends, stay close, no loose ends. How is it my fault you're in love
Alright,
and
looking
lost
a hot
in?
mess. Rob's in the shower. We just ordered pizza, and like today was again just like another lazy day. I feel like I'll do more tomorrow when he goes to work and I'm just home bored. So we ordered pizza from this place, Chicago's Pizza, and it looks fire. Oh my gosh. It's like, I think it has like an Indian twist on it, which should be interesting, but it had good ratings. And then I was gonna put on Friends, but I guess they took it off of Netflix, so that's weak. So I think we're just about to eat this and do nothing for the rest of the night. And then tomorrow I'll like try to do more and film more of the progress. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. And yeah.